Hello everybody, Carolina Tony. Coming to you today from Florence, South Carolina, right behind Magnolia Mall. I figured I'd stop and do this little video for my Nature Walk Wednesdays. Something that's kind of interesting in Florence, and people that live here don't even know it's here. This is the Florence Trail System. This trail system meanders down through the woods and the swamps around Florence, and I thought I'd just take the time to stop and go take a look. But for right now, let's go take a look. This trail is kind of neat. You would think you were in the foothills hiking, but yet we're in the city. Right up to our left through the woods there is Lowe's, and there are other stores and stuff all around us, but yet you still get the feel that you're in the wilderness. We're hiking along a little stream. It's part of their Florence's watershed, and occasionally the trails will come up out of the woods, across a parking lot, to hook up with a trail on the other side of the parking lot or the highway. I believe we're fixing to do that right now. Never done this before, not here in Florence. It's kind of neat. We're coming up into Lowe's parking lot right now. Occasionally you cross a parking lot, duck back into the woods as we go down through the swamp. Little sub-trails that lead off of this trail. It's a little more rougher in terrain that you could take if you wanted to. We're doing just a little short walk today. Trail goes on for miles. You can see we're right next to the highway. Of course, that's no water under the bridge. Pardon the pun. And all of this is in the city. Well, it's time to head back to the truck and go back to work. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our little Nature Walk Wednesday. And until next time, y'all have a good day.